You search for how to buy shares of Biotest AG, a German biotech company specializing in plasma-derived therapies and immunology. Biotest trades on Xetra under the ticker bio.de, and this video is educational in nature, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker bio.de to find the stock. Choose the listing that matches Biotest AG on Xetra to ensure you have the right asset. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for bio.de. Confirm the company description and exchange details to be sure this is the correct Biotest AG listing. To place an order, click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount or number of shares you want. Review the order type and any fees, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next open, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. Check the description for the example eToro link if you want to follow these steps.